Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure you have domain admin rights and GPMC available. Once done, install Geppo and verify its version and dependencies so nothing breaks mid-config. Then, open the Group Policy Management console and navigate to the target OU or existing GPO you will modify. This is the first actionable sequence. Install, verify, open. Make sure to keep a restore point or backup of the GPO before you change settings. This prevents rollback headaches. You now configure Geppo inside the GPO. First, import the admin/admil templates into the central store to keep policies consistent across controllers. Next, edit the chosen GPO and locate administrative templates where Geppo exposes settings. Once there, enable the specific features you need and define the scope. Decide which users or groups should receive the policy. Make sure to map parameters like timeouts or thresholds explicitly, because defaults may not match your environment. Validate each change as you progress to. You finish by linking and enforcing the GPO, then trigger immediate application with gepupdate/force on a test client. Once applied, use resultant set of policy and group policy modeling to confirm settings reach the endpoint. This shows the how and why of propagation. If things go wrong, inspect Event Viewer logs, verify AD replication health, and check permissions on the admin/admil files. Often it's a replication or rights issue. Finally, iterate changes and retest until the desired behavior is consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.